It's creamy. It's gooey. It sticks to your ribs and your soul. It's survived royal courts, ration stamps, powdered packets, and whatever that stuff was they served in your high school cafeteria. It's a side dish, a main event, a midnight snack, and the universal symbol for comfort in a bowl. Macaroni and cheese. You think you know it. But its story? Yeah, it's way cheesier than you imagined. This is Once Upon a Dish, where every bite has a backstory. We made this film for the lovers of legends, leftovers and lactose. Our motto, something delicious happened. And trust us, this one really did. Let's rewind to the 1700s. Thomas Jefferson is in Paris living his best powdered wig life. Among the wine, the Enlightenment, and all that Rococo nonsense, he discovers a dish the French borrowed from the Italians, macaroni, or gratin. Pasta, butter, parmesan. It's creamy, it's rich, it's fancy. Jefferson's hooked. He writes down the recipe, imports a pasta machine, and brings it home like culinary contraband. At Monticello, he serves it to guests. People are confused, delighted, slightly scandalized. And in 1802, mac and cheese is officially served at the White House. Yup, presidential pasta. Now fast forward a century. It's 1937. The Great Depression is weighing down wallets and dinner tables. Enter Kraft. They invent a powdered cheese mix, slap it in a cardboard box with elbow macaroni, and suddenly, a family of 4 can eat for 19 cents. That little blue box was more than a product. It was survival. It was a warm meal when jobs were gone. It was dinner when you only had one pot and no time. During World War II, it fed soldiers. In the 1950s, it fed boomers. And through every decade since, it fed college students, exhausted parents, late-night snackers, and everyone in between. But then came the twist. Somewhere in the early 2000s, mac and cheese got fancy. You started seeing truffle oil, lobster, bacon. Restaurants were layering it, smoking it, deep frying it. One place served it with edible gold. Because of course they did. There's vegan mac, kimchi mac, gluten-free mac, mac on waffles, mac in egg rolls, mac as cultural remix, as nostalgia bomb, as Instagram content. But here's what makes it magic. No matter how it's dressed up, no matter how far it travels from the box or the White House table, at its core, it's still pasta, cheese, and comfort. It's warm, it's familiar, it's home, even if home is a dorm microwave or a backyard barbecue. Tomato and cheese isn't just a recipe, it's a timeline. It's invention and reinvention. A dish that fed presidents and broke students, that adapted, endured, and always delivered. So now we want to hear from you. What's your version? Do you keep it classic with sharp cheddar and elbows? Add a little spice? Go full gourmet? Drop your favorite mac and cheese twist in the comments. Bonus points for bold flavor, double bonus for excellent cheese puns. Because here at Once Upon a Dish, something delicious happened. And it's still happening in kitchens like yours.
Bon appétit!